Hello, dear students, and welcome back. This English lesson is for grade 8, and the topic is My Country. I'm Ksenija Rumora, your English teacher today. By the end of today's lesson, you'll be able to show understanding of the text about Croatia by reading, and to create a tourist brochure of a Croatian region of your own choice using the fact file. For today's lesson, you need a notebook and a pencil, a device with internet connection, which means a laptop, a tablet, or a smartphone, and a QR code scanner. Please have in mind that you can stop this video lesson anytime you want so that you can work at your own pace. Are you ready? Let's start then. What can you see in this picture? Of course, Croatia. Now listen to this riddle-like quote, please. Bathed in the moonlight, in the mystique of the morning mist, through the marks on the stone, finding its way, on the wings of the wind, touching the sky, listening to the silence of the water, it lives in Croatia. What is it? Can you guess? Do you know? Watch the video and find the answer. Yes, timeless beauty lives in Croatia. Let's have a look at some words now. They are a terrain, to prevail, to stretch, to decrease, mainland, magnificent, a script, a plain, breathtaking, and precipitation. Where do these words belong to? Do they belong to verbs, nouns, or adjectives? What do you think? Well, the first one is a terrain. What is it? Is it a verb, a noun, or an adjective? Yes, it's a noun. What about the word to prevail? Yes, it's a verb. The next one is to stretch. Where does it belong to? Yes, to verbs. The next word is a script. What is it? Is it a verb, a noun, or an adjective? Yes, it's a noun. The next one is magnificent. What is it? Yes, it's an adjective. Mainland. How does it sound to you? Does it sound as a verb, a noun, or an adjective? Yes, it's a noun. The next one is to decrease. Is it an adjective, a noun, or a verb? Yes, it's a verb. A plain. Is it an adjective, a noun, or a verb? What do you think? Yes, it's a noun. Breathtaking. Does it sound as a verb, an adjective, or a noun? Yes, it's an adjective. And the last one is precipitation. Is it an adjective, a noun, or a verb? Yes, it's a noun. Well done. Now, after we have put the words where they belong to, please pause this video lesson, copy the words into your notebooks, and please circle the ones you know the meanings of, the words you are familiar with. And what if there are some words you do not know the meanings of? In that case, please search the online Cambridge Dictionary. Let's check now. To stretch means to spread over a large area or distance. A terrain is a type of land, for example, rough or flat land. A plain is a large area of flat land. Magnificent means very impressive and beautiful. To decrease means to lower or go down. Mainland is the main part of a country, not including the islands. To prevail means to be larger in number or importance. Breathtaking is something that can leave you speechless. Precipitation is the amount of snow or rain. And finally, a script is a set of letters used for writing a particular language. Good job! Try to match now the English words with their Croatian counterparts by playing a game. Copy the link bit.ly/mycountrycroatia into your browser or just scan the QR code. Please have a look at this fact file entitled Croatia. It consists of the following: geography, population, official language, cities, climate, scenery, which means the general appearance of natural surroundings, national and nature parks, famous sites, famous people, and politics. Please pause this video lesson, copy the fact file Croatia into your notebooks, and after you have done it, watch a video. While watching the video, please fill in the fact file. Have a look at the filled-in fact file Croatia and compare it with yours. For the pronunciation's sake, please check the soundtrack for the fact file later on. Let's practice vocabulary a bit by playing another game. Copy the link bit.ly/factfile into your browser or just scan the QR code. Have fun! Use the information from your fact file about Croatia now to ask some questions. Pause this video lesson and write the questions into your notebooks, please. Please use the information from the fact file once again, but this time just ask each other questions and just make sure that you ask 2 questions in active and 2 in passive. Let's have a look at some prompts and let's try to make questions. The first prompt is, where Croatia situate? Can you make a question, please? Yes. Where is Croatia situated? And what's the answer to this question? Yes, Croatia is situated in Europe. Are these 2 sentences, the question and the answer, in active or passive? What do you think? Yes, it's passive. There's the second prompt. What Kopački Rit declare part of in 2012? Can you make a question, please? Yes. What was Kopački Rit declared the part of in 2012? And what's the answer? Kopački Rit was declared the part of the Mura-Drava-Danube Biosphere Reserve under UNESCO in 2012. Are these 2, the question and the answer, in active or passive? Yes, passive again. Well done. There are some more prompts for you. What be Zagreb? Can you make a question? Yes. What is Zagreb? And what's the answer? Yes, Zagreb is the capital of Croatia. And are these 2 sentences, the question and the answer, in active or passive? Yes, they are both in active. The next one is, what emigration so far influenced by? Can you make a question, please? Yes. What has emigration so far been influenced by? And what's the answer? Yes. Emigration has so far been influenced by several factors. And are these 2 sentences in active or passive? Yes, they're both in passive. And the last prompt is, which climate prevail in the north of Croatia? Can you make a question, please, again? Yes. Which climate prevails in the north of Croatia? And what's the answer? Yes. A continental climate prevails in the north of Croatia. And are these 2 sentences, the question and the answer, in active or passive? Yes, they are both in active. Good job. And over to you. Your task is to choose a Croatian region and to prepare a fact file about it, based on which you will design a tourist brochure. Don't forget to use the set vocabulary and the passive voice as well. Make your brochure attractive and interesting. Use a digital tool, Canva or Adobe Spark. Let's reflect on today's lesson by giving 3 things stuck with you after today's lesson, asking 2 questions you still have, and naming 1 thing you have learned. This is the end of today's English lesson. I hope you enjoyed it, and I wish to thank you for your attention. Until we meet again, goodbye.